Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make churro pancakes, an easy guide to a truly delightful breakfast. We'll take the familiar comfort of fluffy pancakes and elevate them with the irresistible crunch and sweetness of a churro. Get ready to create a unique and memorable meal that's perfect for any morning. This simple recipe will guide you through each step, ensuring a delicious outcome every time. Let's get started on this sweet adventure. First, let's prepare our pancake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. In a separate bowl, combine 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry until just combined, being careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for a tender pancake. Now, it's time to cook our pancakes and prepare the signature churro coating. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. While they are warm, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter in a shallow dish. In another shallow dish, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Dip each warm pancake into the melted butter, then generously coat it in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Finally, it's time to serve and savor your incredible churro pancakes. Arrange your cinnamon sugar-coated pancakes on a platter. For an extra touch of indulgence, you might drizzle them with warm maple syrup, a rich chocolate sauce, or even a dollop of whipped cream. These sweet and crispy treats are perfect for a special breakfast or brunch. Enjoy the unique combination of fluffy pancake and churro goodness that you've created. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.